Hi to all, and today topic is on mainly based on the accounts. And moreover we can deeply explain in the further classes, and mainly what is the main purpose of maintaining accounts in a business organization, whether it is a small business or a big business organization. Moreover, while starting any business organization, the main motto is to earn more profits and to incur low losses in any business organization. The main meaning of accounts is with the help of maintaining accounts we can easily identify our financial status or position of the business organization in a prominent manner only. It means that while maintaining the books of accounts in a proper manner, we can easily note that we can easily identify that the financial position of the business, in simple that how much profit we are earning, how much losses we are getting, and how much amount we should be payable to salaries to the staff, and how much interest you want to pay to other persons, and how much interest you want to take from other persons, and how much is the end balance of the fixed assets, current assets, and the closing stock, opening stock. We can easily get all the information only through with the recording of the business transaction in the books of accounts. Next step is accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing the data. It means that primarily in any business organization, there will be having a thousands of transactions in a single day, or also in a monthly. Whenever the business is taking any transaction, first of all, the accountant should record the transaction in a chronological order in a day by day, and the accountant should not be skip any transactions. Next step is classifying. Classifying is nothing but just the accountant should classifying is nothing but just we want to divide the transaction in other parts, like in the journal to ledger, ledger to trial balance, like dividing the transaction to individual parties. Next is summarizing. Summarizing is nothing but a brief explanation, like journal to ledger, ledger to trial balance to profit and loss account, next trading account, next balance sheet. Analyzing is nothing but the last stepping in the accounting, like analyzing is nothing but the last part, and it can be mentioned that brief explanation in the data. Next, purpose of maintaining accounts. What is the main purpose of accounts? Maintaining account. First step is to know the financial position of the business. It simple says whether the business organization earning profits or loss, and to know the fund balances. Next step is to know the fund balances. With the help of maintaining accounts, to know the fund balances, like how much the cash part is left with us, and how much is the bank part is left with us. Next, amount payables. Amount payables is nothing but the organization is liable to pay the funds to the other persons, like salaries, like sundry creditors, outstanding balances. Next, amount receivables is nothing but the organization given earlier the services to the other parties, and moreover the services amount is not received by the organization, like rent from tenants, Sunday debtors, etc. Next step is related to stock and end balances. It means that while recording the business transaction only, we can easily note that how much the opening stock is there, and how much is the closing stock held with us. Next, persons interested in accounting disclosures. Persons interested in accounting disclosures. Whenever the accountant is recording the transactions, some persons are getting some persons are interfering in the interfere in the books of accounts, who are interested parties, like owners, creditors, investors, employees, government, managers. Owners are the key part playing in an organization. With the help of owners only, the organization will start. With the owners only, the capital will be taken place, and the owners will mainly concentrate on earning more profits. Next, creditors is nothing but who given services to us, and we did not pay any amount to them in the earlier part, like suppliers, like we taken any services from the other parties, or else like we purchase any stock from the other persons. Like in next step is investors is nothing but the who are the outsiders of the organization, like who are interested in investing in our organization as a shareholders. Next step is employees are also playing an important role in accounting disclosure, like if the organization is earning more profits, the employees also so interested if there is having any chance to hire their salaries. Next, government also playing an important role in interest in accounting disclosure is to the organization is paying the proper tax, the organization is paying whether the in a proper, in a like else whether the organization is paying correctly or not the taxes. Next, managers also playing a key part in interest in accounting disclosure. So with the help of accounting only, the manager accounting information only, the managers will take future decision making. Like if the organization if the organization is facing any losses, with the help of these accounting records only, the managers will take further decision making to run the business organization very successfully. Next, functions of accounting. Functions of accounting is systematic record of business transaction. Whenever the business is holding any business transactions, the accountant should record in a chronological day by day. The accountant should record every transaction in the books of accounts. With the help of recording only, he can take a further step like preparing a journal to ledger to trial balance to profit and loss account. Next, balance sheet. Next, protecting the property of the business. While the maintaining of the books of accounts only, the accountant or else the owner of the organization will know the fund balances of the business, how much is having any negative balance of cash or bank balances with them. Next, communication results to interest parties are not but outsiders of the business organizations like investors, creditors, suppliers, and also interested parties like insiders also like managers, owners, employees. Next, compliance with legal requirements. It means simple that if there is having any allegation against the organization, with the proofs of accounting books only, he can take he can make an evidence through these books of accounts only in the court of vice law. Next, structure of accounting. Structure of accounting is nothing but level of the financial statement. Like primary step is financial transactions. Next step is journal. Next, ledger. Next, trial balance, financial statements.